Sustainability in the community is a crucial part of development and will help the business create a profit.
We are targeting the Eastern Cape. We're doing this because this would help the unemployment rate in this particular province. The farms will be creating hops for the brewery. In time, this will be sustainable and this will be beneficial to the business. And this is our CSR project.
Building the farm will create jobs for the people within the community, which means that people will be able to look after their families. They will also be able to spend money on the business because of the disposable income. It will also help create a good image of the business.
This project will be sustainable due to the community members running it by themselves. And this will generate overall profit for the investors in the future, which is the common goal.
It will increase profit of the business as we will not have to transport hops from our current farms in the Western Cape, therefore, which means it increases the share price.